today I'm going to be showing you how to make this song I made and I overactivated it. So, do not overactivate it. But I can fix it. And it was very nice last time, but it was like kind of activated it. But it got overactivated. I'm going to show you how to fix it. So what you will need is something to mix with and something to mix in. PVA glue or normal glue, detergent or other activator, and I'm using this one, the powder detergent. So let's go straight into it. Okay, when you grab whatever you're mixing in and mixing with, add some glue. A little bit of our activator. So basically, I don't want to overactivate it, so and no, not maybe too little. Okay, that was too little. Now just a tiny bit more. I'm gonna keep adding a little until it activates. And sometimes I overactivate it. I'm not gonna activate this time. Okay. Still looks like glue. Hey, there you go. I got some. This one, that's what I always do. Overactivate. Not really overactivated, kind of like over deactivated. There you go. Slime. It's not really stretchy, but you want to add more. And what we get this highlight picture. Yours might be a little bit stretchier if you use a different brand or a different activator. But for me, I think this is a nice activated slime. Now I'm gonna knead it. Knead. Not overactivated, over deactivated actually. So I'm gonna add a little bit more glue and see what happens. Okay. Keep mixing until you get the texture. I'll be right back when I'm done. Start kneading. So here's this. I'm gonna mix it with my other slime so it'll turn pretty good. There you go. Oh, it's working, you guys. Kind of mix it in there and knead it. You'll really need the help. After kneading so much, this is what it turned out, you guys. Isn't that nice? Oh, look at that. That is so nice. It's pretty fluffy and soft. I didn't put more activator, I promise, because this is the only activator we have. And he has only one I can find. Whoa! Amazing. That is amazingly pretty. Oh yeah. It's so fluffy, so soft. Okay, so make sure to try out this recipe for yourself. It's like amazing. It's so nice and fluffy. Not sticky, not at all. Just a super duper fluffy one. And this is the brand of glue I used, and like this is how much there is left. Like there's so much left in there. See that line right there? But this one is nice and glossy. Kind of slippery, but stick with it. So you guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and make sure to share this to your friends, and comment down below what other kind of videos I should do. Bye guys!